Welcome students. Today we are going to learn figure of speech. Each and every poet uses figure of speech to make the poem attractive, impressive or more interesting. Figure of speech is used in the poem and today we are going to learn about it. Because of figure of speech, we can draw a picture in front of our eyes to convey the message or idea much quicker, effective, and vividly. To compare one thing with another thing, to make a rhythm in the poem, or to make a poem more interesting, figure of speech is used in the poem. So today we are going to learn some types of figure of speech. There are countless types of figure of speech, but today we are going to learn some type. First, we shall see simile figure of speech. Simile is a comparison between two unlike things using the words like or as. By using the words like or as, two unlike things compared in simile figure of speech. दोन भिन्न गोष्टींचं कंपॅरिझन सिमिली फिगर ऑफ स्पीचमध्ये केलेलं असतं. We shall learn with the help of examples. He is as tall as mountain. It means it does not mean he is actually 1000 feet. 1000 feet tall. It just means he is really tall. इथं रिअल मीनिंग असं होतं का की तो माउंटेन एवढा 1000 फीट एवढा उंच आहे? नो, पण इथे एवढं सांगायचं आहे की त्याची हाईट खूप जास्त आहे. दॅट इज वाय द कंपॅरिझन इज गोइंग ऑन बिटवीन टू अनलाइक थिंग्स, बिटवीन ही अँड माउंटेन. अँड which word is used to compare these two unlike things with each other? Look at this sentence. He is as tall as mountain. As word is used to compare he with the mountain. It means in simile figure of speech, as and like words are used to compare two unlike things with each other. Let's take a look towards this second example. She looks like an angel. She looks like an angel means what? ती angel सारखी दिसते. Is she angel? No. She looks like an angel. Angel सारखी दिसते. And which word is used to compare she with an angel? Yes, like word is used here to compare she with an angel. Look at the third example. I slept like a baby. It means what? I slept peacefully like a baby. लहान मुलासारखा मी झोपलो. And here the comparison is going on between I and a baby with the help of word like. Yes, I slept like a baby. Like word is used here to compare I with a baby. See the fourth example. Ramesh is as wise as an owl. In this example, we can understand Ramesh is a wise person, but his wisdom is compared in this sentence with an owl. Comparison is going on between two unlike things which are different from each other. Ramesh and owl both are different from each other, but the comparison is going on here in this sentence between them with the help of which word? Yes, as word. As word is used here to compare the wisdom of Ramesh with an owl. Now, I hope students you have understood very well how to identify the simile figure of speech from the poem. With the help of like and as words, you can identify, but the comparison should be there. The comparison should be in the sentence between two unlike things. Two unlike things should be compared in the sentence with the help of like and as words. Now let's move towards the next figure of speech, which is alliteration. Alliteration is repetition of some consonant sound of the beginning of words. Look at the first example. She should sleep in a shade. And the alliteration means what? Repetition of same consonant sound, but where at the beginning of the word. सेंटेन्स मधील शब्दांच्या सुरुवातीला जर सेम कॉन्सनंट साऊंड रिपीट होत असेल तर ते सेंटेन्स ॲलिट्रेशन फिगर ऑफ स्पीचचे असते. नाऊ लेट्स ट्राय टू आयडेंटिफाय which letter is repeated here in this sentence. S letter is repeated more than 2 times in this sentence. That is why this sentence is of alliteration figure of speech, because at the beginning of word same consonant sound is repeated more than 2 times. Let's take a look towards this second example and try to identify which type of figure of speech is here. Singing songs of the seaside. Singing songs of the seaside. S letter is repeated more than 2 times at the beginning of word in a sentence. एकाच सेंटेन्समध्ये 2 किंवा 2 पेक्षा जास्त वेळेस सेम लेटर ॲट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ वर्डच्या सुरुवातीला यूज केलेलं आहे, रिपीट झालेलं आहे. दॅट टाईम वी कॅन से इन दिस सेंटेन्स alliteration figure of speech is used. Look at the third example. He looks like lion. He looks like lion. Which letter is repeated in this sentence? Yes, L letter is repeated in this sentence more than 2 times. That is why this sentence is of alliteration figure of speech. But don't be confused. This sentence is of simile also, because in this sentence comparison is going on between he and lion. He looks like lion, and also like word is used to compare these two unlike things with each other. That is why don't be confused. This sentence is of both alliteration and also simile. Fourth example is Mike's mother makes a sandwich. See which letter is repeated at the beginning of the word. M letter is repeated more than 2 times. Mike's mother makes a sandwich. M letter is repeated. That is why this sentence is of alliteration figure of speech. I hope students you have understood how to identify an alliteration figure of speech from the sentence. Now let's move towards the third figure of speech, and it is repetition. A word or a group of words is repeated. It means repetition figure of is there. It is used to create rhythm and bringing attention to an idea. Let's try to understand with the help of examples. The president said, work, work, and work are the keys to success. Now, how to identify a repetition figure of speech from this sentence? So easy, students. See, what is our definition is telling us of repetition? Word or a group of words when repeated in the sentence. Now in this sentence, which word is repeated? Work word is repeated more than 2 times. That is why this sentence is of repetition figure of speech. Look at the second example. Oh captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bells. Captain, oh captain, which word is repeated in this sentence? Captain word is repeated 2 times in this sentence. That is why this sentence is of repetition. Pay attention towards the minor difference of alliteration and repetition. In alliteration figure of speech, first letter of the word is repeated, and in repetition figure of speech, word is repeated more than 2 times or 2 times. Look at the third example. It was many and many years ago. It was many and many years ago. Which word is repeated in this sentence? Many word is repeated 2 times in this sentence. That is why this sentence is of repetition figure of speech. In this way, today we have learned 3 types of figures of speech. So let's try to understand it and try to identify these figures of speech from the poem.